Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickUp with Outlook. This integration is incredibly useful for teams and individuals who want to streamline their workflows, keep tasks and emails connected, and improve productivity. Before we begin, make sure you have both your ClickUp and Outlook accounts ready. It's also helpful to have admin access if you're setting this up for a team. This will ensure you can connect everything smoothly without interruptions. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. We'll start by heading over to ClickUp. If you're already logged in, great. If not, take a moment to open your browser and sign in to your ClickUp account. Once you're in, you should see your familiar dashboard. Take a quick look around to make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams or organizations within ClickUp. Each workspace may have its own integration settings. Next, direct your attention to the left side of your screen, where you'll find various icons. Look for the profile icon, which typically appears as your avatar or a generic profile image if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear, which is where you'll find additional options for managing your account. From this drop-down, select Settings. This will bring you to a new page specifically designed to let you configure different aspects of your ClickUp experience. Take a moment to explore these settings if you like, as they can be quite helpful for customizing your workspace to fit your needs. While you're in settings, it's a good idea to review your notifications and permissions. This can help you control how ClickUp and Outlook communicate once they're linked. For example, deciding if you want email notifications for new tasks or comments. Moving on, look for the App Center option within the settings menu. Clicking on this will take you to an area dedicated to managing integrations and third-party apps. Here, you can connect ClickUp to a range of services that can enhance your workflow. You'll notice there are many integrations available in the App Center, tools like Google Drive, Slack, Zoom, and more. Connecting these can make your ClickUp experience even more powerful, so it's worth exploring later. Now, you'll want to locate the search bar, which is typically found at the top of the App Center page. Click into the search bar and type in Outlook. Make sure to type it correctly so the right application appears. Once you've typed Outlook, a list of related apps will appear. From this list, click on the option labeled Outlook Email. Clicking this link is going to open a new page showing you more details about what this integration offers and how it can benefit your workflow. After you've examined the options, click on Configure. This button will guide you through the steps needed to set up the integration between ClickUp and Outlook. When configuring, you'll be asked to grant certain permissions so ClickUp can access your Outlook account. Don't worry, this is completely secure, and you can revoke permissions anytime from your Microsoft account settings. It's a simple process, but you'll need to ensure that you have your Outlook credentials handy, as you may be asked to log into your Outlook account to authorize and complete the setup. Once authorization is complete, you can start using the integration right away. For example, you can turn Outlook emails directly into ClickUp tasks, or attach ClickUp task links inside your emails for better collaboration with teammates. With everything configured, you should now have ClickUp integrated with Outlook. This means you'll be able to interact with your emails and manage tasks seamlessly between both platforms, ultimately enhancing your productivity and efficiency. To make the most of it, try setting up automation rules, like creating a ClickUp task automatically when an email comes from a specific client, or syncing due dates with your Outlook calendar. This will save you tons of time in the long run. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future productivity tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into issues while integrating, drop them in the comments. I always try to respond and help out.